Hey, it's Logan. I just got 5 more mini minis so we can work on filling up this fridge. So let's see if we can find some new stuff for our fridge. All right, so we got all these magnets, which are cute, but we need more. And then in the fridge part, we have, if you haven't seen the first video, check it out. But we got a pretty good selection. Our Jell-O finally did harden up. So that's nice. We have a good Jell-O mode. It's nice and cured and not going anywhere. All because I figured out how to turn the light on the back here. You can switch it to the regular light and then to the UV light so we can cure our molds. So, all right. And my mic went out. So now we get to do a lovely voiceover. Apologize for that. But let's continue checking out what we got last time. We got the broccoli, the cheese, the ham, lunch meat. We got a couple soy sauces. Which I like that one. The Hershey syrup, I actually got that from the Series 5 collection in like a FedEx bag. And it is perfect to use in the mini series. So that was a great surprise to be able to use something from a different collection. Ooh, last time we got the ice, which I love the ice. I did take it out of the bag and put it in that little drawer because I think it just looks better that way. But I would love to get another bag of ice to stick in there as well. Our freezer is not as full. We got a couple ice creams, some bagel bites, and tater tots in that drawer. Let's see, we got more bagel bites, the waffles, the pretzels, and some sausage patties in there. Got lots of water, the oats. I like the oats. We're getting there. But I want to see what else we can get. I know there's a lot more to get. I really, really want to get that Baskin-Robbins cake, ice cream cake. That is the one I am after today. So hopefully we get that one. Is there anyone that you guys are trying to get, having trouble getting to complete your set? Because I feel like I'm getting a lot of dupes now. Because there's still a lot I haven't got. I think I only have one Jell-O. I don't have any of the IHOPs. That cake is what I really want. I don't have that chicken or turkey, whatever that is. That would be neat to have. Yeah, there's a lot, and I want some bacon. Ooh, I really want the eggs. I don't have any eggs. I want to put some eggs up in there. But all right, let's see. Hopefully we get some new stuff. Cool Whip. Dupe. It's okay. I can still add it. No, what is it? Broccoli. I already have a couple broccolis in there. Cheese again. I like the cheese. I think that one looks pretty good. But it's definitely a dupe. Oh, okay. Got it. I wanted another ice bag. Perfect. The ice is definitely one of my favorites. So I can just stick the whole bag in the freezer. Perfect. That was a good one. Ooh, Pizza Hut. I got a couple of those in there. Ooh, we do not have the cheese pizza one. Cute. Only one slice is missing. We are getting some good ones in this ball. Fridge does look pretty good. Pretty well stocked. Ooh, okay. Do not have the milk. The milk is like a staple to have in the fridge, especially at my house. So that is a really good one to have. Good deal. Magnet, I think that's already on there, yes. Okay. First ball is pretty good. Hopefully the next ball will be good too. I don't like doing the voiceovers because then you can't hear that satisfying sound of opening the balls. It's just quiet. I don't know. So what do you all do with all your like duplicates? I have so many. I want to set up like a display in the background because to put them all in. I got to work on that. Because I have so many. I need to figure out how I want to set them all up. The mini spaces are cute back there. All right, checking out. So we have a lot of the iconics with the ice cream and, well, we cheated for the sauce, but it still counts. And the drink. And luxury, we're still missing a bunch of those. We do have the sushi and the ice. And there are so many commons that we're still missing too. Let's see. Is it a new? It's the ham slices. We have that one. Ooh, a fish. The fish looks pretty cool. I think it's a dupe. Yep, it's a duplicate. That's okay. They're still fun to open though. You just never know. More Auntie Anne's pretzels. But I got these. I got the original set with the fridge, and then I got these both at Walmart. Oh, another dressing. I'm pretty sure that's already in there as well. What is that one? Juice. Do not have juice. That's a good one. We always have juice in our fridge. Take that one. The first round, though, we got a lot of stuff, a lot of them. So it's going to be a little bit harder now to find the rest. But I wonder if I need to, like, look at other places. Ooh, another fruit tray. We do have those. We got several of those. But if I look like maybe on Amazon or go to Target, would there be more variety? Is that a thing, or is it just totally random? I'm sure it is. Ooh, we don't have that magnet. Eggs, avocado on some toast. I like that. Cute. Very cute. All right, ball number 3. Hopefully we get that cake. I don't know. I hope they come out with like more of these mini minis, like more of a set to add to the fridge. I've seen pictures, but I don't know if they're planning on doing that or not. But that would be really fun to have a whole set to collect. Okay, number 3. Oh, okay. That is the mini version of the Hershey's. So let's see if the Series 5 Hershey's is different. I wouldn't think they would be, because it would be kind of silly to have different versions of it. Well, let's just look and see. That was Series 5. That is the one we just got. I mean, they look almost identical. Maybe that one's a little bigger, a tad bit. Huh. That could be the angle. Interesting, but it's nothing you could really even tell for sure. But it's still fun. They should stick some mini minis in all their collections. What do we got? More water. I like the water. I like the way it feels. Silicone-y feeling to it. More fruit. Lots of fruit. Okay, more ice cream. It's the Jamocha. Jamocha almond fudge, I think. I think we already have that one. Pretty sure. Yep, it's a dupe. Lobster. We got a lobster already. Cooked lobster. I like me some lobster. I like the tail. I've never had any other parts, so I don't know about that. Tails are good though. More pizza. More leftovers. This one is hard to open. Tricky. Good. All right. Oh, cheese again. Already got the cheese. Pizza. Fell out. Okay, what we got next? Oh, that's it. Oh, even a magnet is a duplicate. 2 eggs now. All right. Goodness. Let's try again. I think we have 2 more left. Has anyone gotten the cake? Is that one like hard to find? No, I guess it is one of the more rare ones, so that would make sense. But hopefully we can get it. Maybe some eggs. The bacon, the bacon would be cool too. Anybody know like when the next series is coming out from Mini Brands? Miniverse is like, they have new stuff coming out all the time, constantly. The animals and the baby one, that looked really cool. I have some coming in the next few days to check out the baby food one, so that'll be fun. But I don't know what's coming up from Mini Brands. Oh, more milk. We didn't get any milk last time. Have a couple milks in there. That'll be okay. It is getting a little full. We're not going to be able to put all the doubles in at some point. We'll have to arrange it a little bit better. There it goes. We already have the waffles. Oh, it's a lot of fruit trays. I think that's the one we get the most, for sure. It's the fruit trays. Ooh, that looks, oh yes, we don't have the strawberry syrup. Can add that. It's looking a little messy in there, which is actually pretty realistic to the fridge I have at my house. I want to be organized. It's just, it doesn't happen very often or last very long in my house, but that's okay. Maybe I can make my mini fridge more organized. Broccoli, definitely have that one. Uh-oh. Soy sauce. We got a couple soy sauces. But I do like that one. I think that one looks really neat. All right. Oh, that's a new magnet. Got the loaves of bread. I like that one. That's cute. I've not seen that one. Magnets are looking good. I think this is the last ball, guys. And I'm just don't think we're gonna get the cake this time, but who knows? Let's find out. Gonna have to keep looking for more of these. They're always sold out at Target for some reason. I can never find them at Target. I need to look online though for other places to get these. I like going to the store because then you can find the ones on clearance. You can get better deals, I feel. All right, oh, more milk. All right. Ooh, that's a different one. We have the clear one. We do not have the strawberry one. Okay. Can add that to it. The top part of the fridge is getting a little full. It's falling out. Surprise, another fruit tray. Oh. Ooh, pretzel dogs. Do not have that one. We have the regular Auntie Anne's pretzels, but not the pretzel dogs. I can go in the freezer. Good one. Our freezer is definitely not as full. Oh, lamb chops. I do like that one. I like the way they have it packaged. That's a good one. Can add it to our other meat. Could put it in the freezer, I guess you can. Oh, everything's full out. You can freeze your meat. That doesn't fit there. There you go. I think it's getting down to the very last one. Is it? Oh, it's the potatoes. That's a new one. We have the mac and cheese in there. Do not have the taters. I like these because they come out. Those are my favorite, the ones that can be taken out. That looks really neat. Huh, that's cool. Looks like you could. That's really realistic with the little chives on there. So, okay, that is a new one. So we got some new ones. We did pretty good. We got a little bit more to add to our fridge. I think I'm going to look for other places to get more to see. Maybe it'll help, probably not, but I'm determined to get that cake and find some different ones that we haven't seen. But that was fun. Fridge is well stocked. Thank you all so much for watching. Check out my other videos if you're interested. Comment, like, subscribe. Oh, the magnet. We already have that one, of course. All right, thank you guys so much again for watching, and I will see you next time.